Bro, they calling y'all out over there.
You said what?
They asked for y'all.
You think I'm worried about them?
No, go.
You think we worried about them?
Nah, go over there so I could get in, bro.
I need them to go. If they gonna go, that's what I'm saying.
Hey, the O-lineman said what's up with it.
Doing that, man. Stay talking.
Oh, he gonna talk.
Black John Rabbit, we on deck. Black John Rabbit. Hey, what's the first play? Bro, just sit down or something so you can get fresh so you can go fast, bro. We gotta see you make a play. Alright, after that, banded squat. 3 sets of 3 to warm up, 5 sets of 3. We're still in that same zone. 0.7 times, right? Pair that up with your banded jumps to free on your first 3 sets. Now look, the bands are gonna feel a lot different. It's heavier at the top and the chains. Alright? So getting used to how it feels first couple sets. One hand, when you down to the pass, outside the bottom, drop up to more force. Alright, that makes sense? So get used to it and then drive up fast. We're still in that same zone. Alright, so bump yourself up. Try to use the guard as a guide. Bump yourself up, get between 0.6 and 0.75. Well, remember, we're driving all the way to the top. It should be easier to drive to the top now because you have a band resisting your back instead of the chain. Alright, so you can drive all the way to the bottom, all the way to the top. It should be a lot smoother. Alright, any questions with that? No? Alright, let's go. Get a break. Let's go. Hey, be loud, be loud. Nice and loud. Hey, work on me, work on 3, 1, 2, 3. Work. Let's go! What's going on with y'all, man? Big Sim went ahead against CEO. You see what we just got done doing? Shut up, bro. We just started quarterback right there. Tom, you know what's about to happen in camp. All that confidence they built up this spring is over. But we still need them to be a good offense. I don't want to crush their dreams going into the season, you know what I'm saying? So I don't know how we're going to handle that, but you know what I'm saying? 2 weeks left. That's all right.
Who's y'all?
Y'all got a few.
Come on, Ralphie.
I watched the one-on-one.
We need to get right on that side.
Y'all was letting to do with this thing, though.
We need to get right on that side, Shilo.
Yeah,
You're talking about we need to get right out of all people. We.
The secondary,
Before you, we.
The secondary.
Before you say we. No, Shilo.
Y'all was getting stopped too much.
You're delusional.
You got stopped like 5 times.
I'm not worried. And you got blurred about since you've been here. If that's the case.
It's not true. I already have 2 picks.
2 picks? How many practices we had, man?
Since when?
Since I've been here.
Who's gonna have more picks or more
3
sacks?
a week, right?
If he has sacks.
It's about what, 3 weeks on end?
Yeah.
Who's gonna have
3
more?
weeks.
5 days in a week.
Lauren,
You do PLP what,
Who do
3
you
times?
think?
Damn, son.
Who do you think is
You
gonna
ain't
have
tired of getting
more
blurred?
points?
Like, you know what
Will
I'm
I have
saying?
more picks this season or we have more sacks?
Would you get in the season like that?
Silver, we're on
Who are you
deck.
gonna play over?
Silver, we're on
Who
deck.
am I going to play over?
Hey, Shilo, back up,
Oh,
back up,
I don't got no spot.
Nah, I'm just thinking. If I'm in there around 7:30, I'm okay. I didn't know they was going exactly by the time. I did take him for breakfast, but they want you to go earlier. Only person. Yeah. No. They just have a guy that watches it. He close in November.
Can't wait to put the pads on.
I know.
You're going to shut a lot of people up, huh?
The first day.
He'll be late.
You're not going to be late.
You won't be the first to be late.
I don't like you being late.
It's not like I'm actually late. I'm not really late.
Okay, you're just not on time.
I made sure. Even when he called, I'm like, Dad, I have a free day today.
Whole life is free.
I want to do what I want to do for one day, all right? My goal is to, it's not to take care of my father.
Oh,
My goal is to be in a position where I don't have to wake up or do anything at a certain time.
So,
you gonna better do that in a minute. It's called homeless.
No, because then you got to go. Yeah, it's good, it's
Oh,
good.
y'all good? Oh.
We don't need all that negativity, man.
Oh, you're right, you're right. Matter of fact, can I get a post? Speaking of negativity, can I get a post?
You know, he want to have a talk with you about that too. He's your son first, then he's content creator second.
Well, be the son then. I'll be the creator. Yeah, how about that?
No.
Put the camera down and be the son. He don't want to do that. He want to be the creator.
Yes, he does. You never ask him to go get food with you.
This is trying to start the Boulder Colorado play.
Man, he got this, man.
You know you got it.
You got it here, right? Wait here.
Oh yeah.
Nah, don't film that. Don't film that. If you stick your arms out, you know he's just gonna slap him.
You'll have one running back over 5'10", bro. Oh,
No, you're gonna do that. I told your dad. I said one of the things missing. You remember Lexus?
What's up? How you doing?
I told your dad one of the things that was missing from this team is a you, because you push people's buttons.
Oh yeah.
Like they don't have a button pusher. It's like nobody's out there pissing somebody off. And so what happens when somebody pisses you off? You either fold or shut them up.
They gonna fold. All right.
And we needed somebody to push buttons. So like, all right, I'll tell you what. He got me there. Let me get him. Like we went the whole spring and got maybe to the last day I had one fight.
I know.
Like one fight.
It's
You were out of town now, right?
I think so.
You talked to Travis about it?
Travis, yeah, I seen the video. You know, my brother be posting everything.
I know, but I wanted to talk to him. It was epic, man.
Mm-hmm.
It was. That's a cool.
You're gonna have fun at practice now, so.
Okay, cool.
Big 2 1. It's gonna be fun.
Your size 13, please, Charlie.
Yes, sir. Appreciate it.
All right, you tell me which one you want. We got these ones. These ones.
Cool.
All you, man.
Just go ahead and stick around now. That way we won't worry about it.
Cool.
What's the number, Emily?
52.
What do you think about that? 52. Does that feel good?
You talking about for the?
So it's on this side over here.
That's cool. I mean, 21.
It's a good opportunity to tell you.
21 would be cool too, but you know,
He
whatever
should
you
throw
think.
52 as his jersey.
That would be fun.
That's something Coach Mathis would do at first. Coach Kelly wouldn't do that though. 21 would be straight, but whatever y'all say, you know.
Well, here's a funny story. They tried to do that at one point in time, right? But at the end of the day, there's only 99 numbers and 127 lockers, so it's a little bit foolish to try to do that. At the same time, if the locker room is going to be set by position, then it doesn't really work out.
Yeah, it is gonna be set by position. So.
That way you can improve it.
I already asked Dad if I could. I already asked Dad if I could sit next to Shador. He's like, son, we do everything about position over here, dog.
I love the impression. I'll show you where your locker's at.
Appreciate it.
Yep.
All right, thank you.
Son, we do everything about position. No, you can't sit next to your brother, dog. Those videos you guys post cracking me up. 52, I think, yep, this will be you right here.
Yes.
We'll get a nameplate made up for you and
So
everything.
everyone can come by and see me get naked in here.
Exactly, yep.
Wait,
Prime real estate.
which is the entrance? Oh no, this is good. This is a good spot.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah, it should be out of the dark corners. And
Man, you guys are the best, man.
hey, happy to help?
Jeez.
He's happy with the spot?
No, this ain't got a spot. Tell Uncle Nick you can't drop this yet. Oh, money don't do him no more. He's been doing good today.
Hey man, let's go. We good. Let's go. I said before.
This is harder than it looks, everyone.
Hey, respond accordingly. We good.
Especially when you got one more that you didn't think you were going to have.
Yeah. They trying to manufacture adversity.
Who is that?
We're not gonna get mad at
Who is Coffee?
the guy
Just
they called
another
out.
day.
We know the game. We know what they do.
It ain't nothing but some work. Ain't nothing but to do it, man.
That's what the strength coaches do. Everybody knows. The dude might not even have done it wrong. He's just gonna manufacture adversity.
Hey,
I know the game. I've been in college for a while.
I want the camera to know how many times I stuck my neck out for their ass and saved their ass. So now I got to report. Now I got to report.
If I ask for a favor, I got you. But look, it's the thought that counts, bro. I know.
Day before that,
I'm loyal
that's when you were here at 7:31.
I'm loyal to Coach Kelly.
And I let it slide.
Coach Kelly's guy. Not Coach Mathis' guy. I didn't come here to be Coach Mathis' guy.
I know.
And why did Coach Mathis? Coach Mathis enforces it. There's some up with Coach Mathis. He goes home. He's at home with his family.
Talking about him snitching?
Yeah. and then the DBs, bro. You got earned. It's not me.
You're not my guy. Get out of here.
I'm just telling you what they said, bro. It's not me. You know, you helped me with plays and stuff, bro. But word around the room, bro, is we can't trust you no more, bro. That's it.
If that's the word around the room, that's fine. But that word's wrong.
It's not. Exactly. I can't look weak on YouTube. Jeez. This weight might be a little heavy.
Thank God, man.
Let's go! Hey, I appreciate you, I appreciate you. Yeah, you ain't let's go, man. Get it up. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! I love it. We got 3 sets of 4 shoulder press. This is my second set right here. He's built different. He's built different.